Do you know what factors affect the cost of optical controllers? Firstly, the cost of optical controllers is directly affected by their raw materials and manufacturing processes. Secondly, differences in technical specifications and performance can also result in different design costs. Thirdly, the protection level and durability of the photocontroller require the use of additional materials and processes. Fourthly, optical controller manufacturers need to undergo various compliance tests and certificate certifications, all of which require payment. Fifth, some special customization may require additional fees. Sixth, new technological innovations or improvements often have an impact on the manufacturing cost and performance of products, leading to changes in price tags. Seventh, packaging and accessories with high quality, special design, or special materials often increase costs.